I bought this camera Canon EOS M10 for about $80, but it came with a problem. The screen is broken. Hi guys, Luke Thaison here, and today I will show you how to replace the screen of Canon M10. And anyway, if you happen to come across my channel for the first time, please consider subscribe. The tools you need to replace this is just a simple small Phillips screwdriver. I think we're good to go. Let's turn off the camera. Took the battery out. And let's roll. Alright. So first thing first, you need to remove all the screw. It's about 8 screws all around. 2 in the back, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the side, 2 on the side. All the screws are the same size, so you don't have to worry about arranging. And you pop this bracket out. You see 2 more screws. Then you tilt the screen to 90-degree position. Pop the front frame out. And this attach FPC cable. Now you got to the screen part. It's attached with this frame by glue, so basically you just push it out. And in this replacement, I don't get the control board with it, but I tried several times to peel it off the old shell, but I think if I completely peel it off, it could broken the board. So I decided to pop the back metal bracket from the original one and replace on the new one, and it's working fine. Then I reattach the cable. Power on to see whether the functional of the screen is normal. And the last step, I attach all the screw back with all the parts. And now I got the screen on my Canon M10 fixed, as good as new. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.